My name is Abiodun Ajibola. I studied Cyber Security Engineering here at WMJ. The member of staff that impacted me the most, well, actually, there are two of them. Kathy Fawcett. She was very personal. She connected well with me. She gave me a lot of assurance. And then second person is Haj. Haj, as at the time I came in, was a coordinator of the program. He did a good job in making me know the course. It's something that's going to help me much later in the program, in my studies. And even after I joined the program, the two of them had huge impact with me. It helps with my confidence a lot. Haj was always there to explain things when I didn't understand. And more importantly, I think for Haj, what I learned from him was that ability to be a leader, which for now is serving me at my place of work. He communicates well, he's able to break down ideas in a very simplistic way to other audiences, and that is really, really essential for me, what I do today. I like to see Haj as a salesman that is doing cybersecurity, and that has been very helpful for me in my career at the moment.